Just listen. You can listen. I have a very, very strong feeling that today is not going to go very well. I feel I may be having words. This is not even 9 o'clock in the morning yet, and I have men outside, not my house, no, outside. It must be I'm number 2, so it must be number 1. They didn't inform me of any works, but this is definitely works going on. I'm just going to sit here and pull faces for possibly the next hour, maybe 2. Wind myself up enough, and then go and chat to the nice men. I did this with next door once, and they did actually go home. But I had been hitting the wall quite loudly because they were putting up a wall. They weren't blocking themselves in. They were just putting up a wall between to make a dining room. Fuck me, that is one big spider. Can you see that spider walking down? Jesus, wet. That must have been the size of a fucking cat walking down the side of the wall. Did you see it? He was about this big. Love him. He's going to be called Neville. Oh, I think he smiled at me. That was fine. Neville can stay behind there. He's okay. He was fucking huge though. Bloody hell, I'm glad Tom didn't see that. Derek would have seen it and he would have eaten it. Anyway. Yeah, they were putting up a brick wall to make a dining room, and it was winding me up because of the noise. So they were hitting my wall because I was on the computer, and just behind the computer they were hitting, so I started hitting. Oh, and then they actually came round. And I said, yes, I was hitting the wall because you were hitting the wall. And he said, well, we're working. I said, yeah, I'm working and all. You can't win. And anyway, he was like, this is ages ago, I can't really remember what happened. But he said I was a little feisty. No, not feisty, just fucking annoyed with you. And they said, oh, well, we're... And then they didn't actually start, from then on, they didn't start till about 10:30 in the morning, which was really funny, and it was actually really, really nice of them. And they left by about 3 o'clock. So that was good. They were quite pleased being next door to me. They're doing... Oh, look. They're cutting trees down. Hang on. Let me unplug you and I'm going to show you. I should have looked. Look. These are nice men. Oh, look. He's got his clothes on and everything. He does have quite a large forehead. Herman Munster type of forehead. Morning. Okay. So you've seen, I should have done something. Don't quite know what's going on with that. I'm going to have a cold drink. I don't fancy coffee. I'm tired again. I'm never going to get to fucking sleep with them. I wonder if they could come and do my back garden. He's got a hat on. He looks like he's going... Look. I don't know if you can see him. He's cutting the tree down. Oh, I like that tree. That's a cherry tree. He's gone. Anyway. Oh, it means that they're not going to be here for long, so that's okay. Won't take long to cut those trees down. They're taking the whole tree down. There's a man at the fucking tree. Hang on, I'll show you. Hang on. He is working at the tree. That is exciting. Hello. He's watching me. He was saying hello to everybody. Okay, that is exciting. Okay, well, I've showed you now. Speak to you later.